Welcome to Hair by Chris Vex, where you find everything you need to know about hairstyling. My name is Chris. I'm the owner of Hair by Chris Vex. I've been doing this now for over 20 years. I know how hard it is. I have been a student myself. I know the time to spend on a particular hairstyle to try to recreate that. I know all that. As a member of Hair by Chris Vex, we've put everything in that membership for you to take the time to focus on learning and working on the skills. You don't have to spend countless of hours trying to figure out how to style the hair. Everything is there for you. All you have to do, sit back and get your combs, your spray, and start practicing and working on your skill so that in the next few months you start booking your first job. We have 4 membership on our membership plan. It starts from bronze, silver, gold, and the mastermind. Everything you need to know to style to take you from wannabe to be the person that people are going to is in this course. It's taking you from stage 1, and I'm taking you all up the way to wherever you want to be. Everything you need to learn is going to be in this course. I'm going to be putting a coupon down in the description below, and for 1 week only, if you want to join, use that chance, take the coupon. Bye for now.